Welcome aboard. Binance has announced its new Launchpool project. Let's take a look at the details together. The name of the Launchpool project is io.net. It's a deepen project on the Solana network, and this project is currently on Binance Launchpool. The farming period will begin on June 7th and last for 4 days. During this period, by staking your BNB or FDUSD units in your account, you can earn rewards from the Launchpool. If you don't have a Binance account, you can sign up for Binance by clicking on the discounted registration link in the descriptions. io.net will be listed on June 11th. Let's look at the token details. The maximum supply is 800 million. 20 million tokens will be distributed in the Launchpool. The initial circulating supply is 95 million. The token ratio in the BNB pool is 85%, while the FDUSD pool ratio is 15%. To participate in Launchpool, you must be registered with Binance and have completed the KYC process. After depositing money into your account, all you need to do is click on the Launchpool tab under the More button. Once you've done that, you'll see io.net's pools. When the pools are open, you can stake your assets by using the Stake button after selecting the pool you want. This way, you'll earn free io.net tokens. While doing this, remember that you can withdraw your money whenever you want. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.